1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nailed it. Nailed it.
May as well put it down.
How you doing, Grace? How you doing there, Grace? Who's it? Oh, here we go. First we go. Green beans. Nice. Broccoli. There's some garlic in there somewhere. Butter, pepper and salt. Oh. What do you think?
It's delicious. Cheers.
Yes.
That is the best burger in the world.
In the world!
It's delicious.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. What you got there?
Maker.
Does this fairy come to tents?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you're going to see anything other than a floating face, but I've got Grace to sleep with us so I can tell you what's going on now. It's dark. We're camping, it's cold, it's middle of winter. I'll show you the fire we've got on the go now. I'll show you my setup and where we are and why I'm doing this. But, yeah, it's all fun. So stoke the fire up and relax. I'm going to have a cigar now. I'm going to go and sit under the shelter, tell you about what's going on. Something special today. I've got myself a Monte Cristo number 4. So I've ruined that today. I'm going to leave this fire take a minute and I'm going to go and sit down and relax. Windy. There's always time for a coffee. Yeah, I'm having coffee It's 9:15. Sometimes it's got to be done. I've actually just plugged in an external mic, so not sure if you can tell the difference or not. Hopefully it's still picking up some ambient sounds, but not as much. And I want to talk quiet because Grace is sleeping. Yeah, the light's not very good, but it's about 8 degrees. It's meant to get down to about 5 degrees and it's supposed to be heavy rain all night. I've got a 3 metre by 4 metre top set up and it's over the door of the tent as well, so I've actually got the door of the tent open for ventilation. I close it when we go to sleep. But Grace is in there sleeping, she's roving around a little bit. But if you hadn't guessed yet, this is hardly a wild camp. But it is winter camping. It's cold. It's more glamping than camping, maybe some may see it, but camping is whatever you want it to be. As far as I'm concerned, it's just about being outdoors and enjoying yourself. I'm trying to share that with my daughter, give her some good experiences that not many people get to have. So, yeah, it's not the type of tent I would take anywhere camping really. It's a 4-man tent, something I dug out recently. It's only ever been used once, I think. It's about 4 years old or maybe a little bit more. Set it up yesterday while it was raining just to see if it was waterproof still. And it's pretty good, there's no water getting in. It's not a bad tent, but it's not freestanding, so yeah, I would never trust it in the wind. It's doing the job for what we want. As with all tents really, you can half the capacity, so 2-man comfortably really. I wouldn't want any more than 2 people in there. So this is going to be a short video, I think, but the next one is coming soon. Hopefully you've seen my short video for that. It's a proper wild one, proper wild. Yeah, my first proper wild one actually, so look out for that. It's going to be pretty epic. I'm going to get that out as soon as I can. I've got a lot on at the moment, so it's one of the reasons I can't be out tonight really. The main reason is I don't want to take Grace wild camping for the first time. This is the second time we've been camping actually, but both times have been where we are now, which is in my garden. So yeah, we can do what we want here. We can bail to the house if we need to, and I'm just going to see how it goes really. So I'm going to kick back, enjoy my cigar now, and please come back for the wild camping video because yeah, that's going to be epic. So time to enjoy my coffee now. I'm not expecting anything to go wrong tonight. Hoping Grace sleeps all night and we have to go back in the tent. It's really dark and quiet around here, so yeah, got quite a lot of space. Got all the luxuries and creature comforts. Yeah, my coffee should be ready to drink now, and unless anything goes wrong, we'll be back in the tent. And I've got a new sleeping bag to test out, so I've been taking tips off someone in the comments, so they know who they are. I won't mention any names just in case they don't want that, but yeah, I'm grateful. Grace just shushed me, so that's my cue to be quiet. Yeah, Grace is tossing and turning, so I'm not sure where this is going to go. She's normally undisturbed at this time, so I've got to be quiet. It's nice and warm here. Still pretty windy. I've got my furry muff now. Grace is still sleeping. It's about 10 p.m. I'm tucked in my new bag that I'm testing. Grace is boiling. She might be too warm. I've checked on it. There's loads of room. King size A bed. Yeah. Hoping for a cozy night, but we'll see how we get on. Catch you in the morning. Yeah, it's definitely quite a few degrees warmer out here. And if there's any sign of Grace getting cold, we're just going to bail to the house, but it's forecast to rain heavy all night. Yeah, if that disturbs us, we'll bail to the house. Either way, I'm going to make sure we get a good night's sleep. Just brought the hot water bottle in, it's just in between us because I'm not cold. Got a hat on, but I'm not cold. Down jacket, t-shirt, pajama trousers because I can. Grace has got a vest, thick, like wintry pajamas, fluffy ones, and a onesie on top of that, and thick thermal socks. She might be too warm. She hasn't got a hat on. She doesn't like wearing hats anymore. She's in the a -10 bag. And I'm in a -10 bag. It's meant to get down to 5 degrees, but it'll be closer to 10 in here than 5. So, yeah, it's not cold at all. There's no wind chill, obviously. So, looking for a good night's sleep. I have to whisk it, that's sorry. That's the only way I can talk right now. But I'm going to watch a couple of videos on YouTube and then try and get some rest. Catch you all in the morning. Good morning. 6 a.m. Birds are singing. Grace is still sleeping, so I'll give you the sound of the rain for a couple of minutes. Probably wake Grace up at about 7:30. Sure, could you have a then? So that's fairy bean.
Check. What does this say?
My God!
£1, £2.
Woohoo! Gracie, did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Did you get cold?
No.
Are you warm now?
Yeah.
Do you want a water bottle?
No.
No!
I'm too hot.
Toasty, are you? Good. Well, there we have it. I'm going to leave all this set up until tomorrow, I think. Just because I can. Peace out.